Hey, welcome to our channel, Gout Healthcare. Today we're delving into the realm of cooking for gout sufferers, a topic that holds importance not for those dealing with gout, but for anyone aiming for a healthier way of life. Gout, a type of arthritis, can bring about discomfort. Following the right diet can truly make a difference. We'll kick things off by talking about the fundamentals of gout and how certain foods can impact the levels of acid in your body. After that, we'll showcase some recipes that are light on purines, those elements that can worsen gout symptoms. Our first recipe is a gout-safe vegetable soup, a hearty and comforting dish packed with fresh vegetables and protein-rich red beans. We'll walk you through the preparation step by step, showing you how to create a flavorful base without the high purine content found in some other ingredients. Next, we'll prepare a vegan gout-friendly gumbo, a simple yet satisfying take on the classic, full of vibrant vegetables and tofu andouille for that smoky flavor. For those with a sweet tooth, we haven't forgotten you. Our healthy cherry mug cake is not only quick to make, but also full of anti-inflammatory foods, perfect for a gout-friendly diet. We'll demonstrate how to whip up this treat in just minutes, using ingredients that are both nutritious and delicious. Throughout the video, we'll share tips on how to modify your favorite recipes to make them more gout-friendly. For example, we'll show you how to choose the right cuts of chicken and the best ways to cook them to reduce purine content, ensuring that you can enjoy a variety of dishes without worry. We'll also discuss the importance of a balanced diet and how incorporating certain foods like cherries, which have anti-inflammatory properties, can help prevent gout flare-ups. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of how to manage gout through diet. And you'll be equipped with several recipes to get you started on your journey to pain-free and flavorful eating. Remember, every meal is an opportunity to nourish your body and mind. And with these gout-friendly recipes, thank you for watching.